Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. How are you all? I hope all are fine. I am also fine. Alhamdulillah by the grace of Allah. Today we will learn how to ask a question. Let's begin and learn together. What do you eat? তুমি কি খাও? How do you eat? তুমি কিভাবে খাও? Where do you eat? তুমি কোথায় খাও? When do you eat? তুমি কখন খাও? With whom do you eat? তুমি কার সাথে খাও? Okay friends, it's time to say goodbye for now. But don't worry, I will see you again very soon. Keep smiling, stay happy, and remember to practice speaking English every day. See you next time.